In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Superscript to Squarespace blog Excerpts. This is a great way to give your blog excerpts a bit more character and style, especially if you need to include notations or other elements that may require a superscript. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, let's head over to the Pages section of your Squarespace website. Here, you're going to look for the specific blog in which you want to edit excerpts. You'll want to pay attention to the layout, as this section can sometimes get a bit crowded if you have multiple blogs. Once you've located the blog you wish to modify, click on it to open up its settings. Now, we're going to hover over the specific blog post you want to work with. This will bring up a small menu. In this menu, find the three-dot icon that signifies more options and give it a click to access the settings for that blog post. Now, let's focus on the excerpt area. This is where you'll actually be making the changes to your text. In the settings menu, you'll find an excerpt section. Click on the text box, and it's here that you can select a part of the text where you want to add your superscript. Just highlight the portion of the text where you want the superscript to appear. This might be a number, letter, or symbol that you're using for footnotes or references. Once you've highlighted your desired text, let's move on to adding the superscript. You'll notice another three-dot icon appearing in the menu. This is another More Options button specifically for text formatting, so go ahead and click on it. A new menu with different formatting options will pop up, and somewhere within this list, you'll find the option for superscript. Click on it, and voila! Your highlighted text will now appear as a superscript. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can add superscripts to any text you wish within your Squarespace blog excerpts. This is a particularly handy feature if you're looking to add a scholarly touch to your articles or just want to include some detailed footnotes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore and try adding superscripts a few times until you get the hang of it. Squarespace provides the flexibility to customize your blog posts in many unique ways, so take advantage of these options to make your content stand out. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this has been a helpful guide for your Squarespace endeavors. Happy blogging!